Hello family and friends, welcome to my channel, Meandering Man at 70. I went to John and Shirley's winery, and John and Shirley, I apologize. I've been trying to pronounce your name or learn how to pronounce your name for a week now, and you can tell I destroy your name in my video. It's not intentional, but it's just my mouth isn't working the way it should. And it's Schwaesdall. It's Schwaesdall Winery. And I appreciate the Harvest Host day that you gave me, and the wine that you let me test and purchase some of it. It's a great wine that I had. It's all gone now, and I enjoyed it. Next time I'm in the area, you can bet I'll be dropping by again and saying hello to you guys. And John, I understand you and Shirley go out to other events in Arizona, which I plan on being at some of those events too. Maybe I'll see you on the road. Hope to see you then, or see you whenever we can. And have a good day. Have a good time. Again, I enjoyed my stay with you. Thank you, Rose.
Turn right onto Old Milky Way. Continue for 12 miles.
Thank you, Rose. Will do. Okay. Schwaesdall Winery, established in 1990. Schwaesdall Winery. Beautiful cactus thing. They call this a bottle wall fence. I didn't drink all that wine. They have a guest house over here, a bed and breakfast guest house. They've just started it, and evidently it is very popular. It's a stone guest house. Interesting patio here with its foundation wall. And there's the host's house. They built that themselves. It's what do you call that, brick? It's called adobe brick, and they made those bricks themselves and built the house. They also did the slate rock house too. They built that. Nice little. And it's a fabulous job they did. You can see that slate work there. There's also the wine tasting room that they built, and they built it with straw, adobe straw. And that's the first straw adobe structure in the area, and turns out to be the last. And I asked them, how come it's the last? And they said, well, it's earthquake requirements. And evidently you can't make earthquake strong enough, or straw structures strong enough for earthquakes. So they won't let anybody else make a structure again with straw. There's Mr. White in the top hat. And you know, I lived in Madeira for quite a long time, and this is the first time I've been this close to wine vines. For those of you who don't know, Madera County, California, middle of the state of California, is wine country, and there's vineyards and wine grapes, wine plants all over the place, or grape plants. Weddings. Oh, look at what I missed. There's some buffalo. That's what the Indians are shooting at. This little cat rock up here that you're looking at right now is their logo. It's on their business card. Can you see it? Is it a cat or is it a buffalo? I'll have to ask them again. I forget. Nice little wooden stoves. Wood stoves made out of metal. Which in a certain part of the year, this would be a very nice arch covered in grapevines. Nice little bottle tree. Look at this artwork they have here. You would think that's a washer, but no. Or a bowl. They put a lot of work into this. And this is what you can do with the stove when you're done with it in the house. And here's a tree stump that's been carved and painted. Whoop, where am I here? There we go. You can see that's carved. Let's see what's over here. This looks like an outdoor barbecue pit. Maybe an outdoor oven. Yeah, this is an outdoor oven. You build a fire in there, and then when it gets nice and hot, you just put in your stuff to cook, and there's a temperature gauge right there. Shows you how hot it is inside. There we go. That's a good one. Do I have it here? There it is. Save the winos. Maybe I'll become a wino here. Someone can save me. Assuming I might want to be saved. Isn't this beautiful country? Wine country. The hosts here are fabulous. Looks like he's out there working on his vines. And this is a wine tasting room. A lot of really good wines in here. This is the wine tasting room built with straw. That's straw and mud walls. So, I'm gonna head back to Mr. White, clean up my breakfast mess, and hit the road. Time to head on down to San Diego. As you can see a little bit off here to the left, it looks like they have an underground garage, or maybe that's where they do their wine. With these wine baskets, grape baskets, that's probably where they do their wine. Just beautiful country. And if you didn't catch it in one of my other previous videos, there's Pete and Rose. Pete the dragon and Rose the black bear. And if you want to take a look at them in real life, let's go around here to the front. They're always watching the van, watching out for me here. There they are. Say two peas in a pod. One of these days I'll learn how to run this camera right. And up there's a solar panel. It's working great. It's all strapped down and I don't have to move it at all. It just works and works and works. Batteries are at 100%. Well, that should do it for now.